Alright, here is our new garage door installed today. Name of the company, Design Array Garage Door Store. Their website is www.makemydoor.com, I believe. If that's wrong, I'll update it in the comments. This is the Heritage 3000 series. It is an insulated door. Our value just a little over 10. We didn't put any windows in it because of the fact the door faces west. Takes a big beating in the afternoon sun. And for the drive system, we got a LiftMaster. I don't remember the model number, but it is a belt drive, very quiet. Also has a backup battery and allows for a MyQ internet gateway, which I have a coupon for a free one. So this way we can monitor and open our garage door via the internet. So go ahead and open up the door. Another nice feature of this one, pinch resistant door. And you can see here, as I go ahead and open the door, how it rolls, kind of. The hinges are more in the middle of the door. And you'll have to excuse my garage, it is a mess. We're working on the front yard right now. This is the new controller. I have to update a few things on it yet, but gotta read the manual. It's a little more involved than my old Genie. And here you can see the belt drive system, LiftMaster, MyQ, battery backup, very nice. And here's the back of the door. Kind of give you an example of the thickness of the door. And ball bearing wheels. So it's very, very quiet. Here we go. I'll go ahead and shut it from the inside. Sorry for the shaky video. It's actually very quiet in here in the garage now, being that this is an insulated door. So, dual torsion springs. So, overall, I am exceptionally pleased with this garage door. We still had the original builder grade with what they call the Genie accelerator, and it was very fast and very noisy. So, but here it is, new garage door again. Company's name is Design Array Garage Door Store, and I believe it's either makemydoor.com. I believe that's it. So, but again, I'll put it in the comments. And they're actually located pretty nice. Their showroom is on the corner of 99th Avenue and Olive, on the northwest corner. And if you really want a good idea of some garage doors, go in there. They have 13 doors in their showroom, all fully operational. So you can really get a sense of what you're getting. Alright, so go ahead and open it up one more time. Very nice. And like I said, very, very quiet. So hopefully my review is helpful. If anybody's looking for a garage door, I can highly recommend this place. And y'all have a good day.